Hello everyone, and welcome back to my shop. Let's see, today we're going to work on this battery cover, that this really excellent shape battery cover that I rediscovered in the GMC. I've already sanded it down. I've put some rust encapsulant on it. Now I'm going to paint it. I think I said I was going to paint it black, but I've decided I'm going to paint it the hammered brown, since I've got plenty of that. That'll match the rest of the interior, because it is going to go into the Chevy. Okay, after about 20 minutes or so of soaking, it's freed up. And if you can see here, I'll try to show the operation of this thing. Okay, that's when you open it, close. See the ends go out right here and right here, and they clip underneath some of the frame metal or floorboard metal. Then you bring it in. See, there's some give there, so I don't think it's that's about as far as it goes. Not much throw, but anyway, pretty neat stuff. Works real good. Don't look bad either. I'm gonna hit it with that rust encapsulant, and then I'm gonna put a coat of that black satin on it, and then stick a fork in it. I decided to put the mask on after smelling it for the full 15 minutes. I let the first coat dry. So, and I turned my fan on to circulate it out. Even with that little bit of paint, it can be bothersome. All right, let's see if we can put this in. All right, trying to do it one-handed here. Got him open. Got him pressed down in all corners. I may need two hands. I don't know. We'll see. Got him down. And he's locked. He's in. Oh, how about that? He's in. I like it. Good deal. I guess you could kind of tell why I went with it. You know, the floorboards are going to be painted this hammered brown eventually anyway when I do the full repair. I keep talking about when I do this, that, and the other. Well, you work on two trucks that need lots of body work. Well, you just kind of pick and choose your battles so you don't lose the war, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that looks pretty good down there. All right. Almost ashamed to even cover it. Well, anyway. Alright, after getting down the road a little bit, it's warmed up enough to where I've had to turn the heat off. I never did run the fan, and I got very little air through the vents, the fresh air heater, so I guess I overthought that water valve. But I tell you what though, it sure is nice turning hot water off and on from the comfort of the cab. And let's see, it's real foggy today. Can't even see the mountain. Oh hey. Yeah, it's not going to last long at all.
There's sticks in there. We need to put sticks in the fire. They're falling down. The sticks are falling down.
Parker, can you come take a picture with Braden and
Hey,
Sutton?
hey, look.
It's so dark, the camera can't even pick it up.
Alright, I'm out of here. Dave, sorry.
Well, that's okay. Yeah. Well, dang. I guess that means